Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super sweet. I'm talking to you about care packages. Care packages are such a wonderful way to show somebody that you're thinking of them, that you care, and I think we all know how to put a care package together. I'm not going to be telling you how to do that. I'm sure you know what you like to give other people, but I am going to show you how to put a little extra thought into it to make it extra fun, extra festive. When somebody opens the package, they're going to really know that you put your time into it. I'm making this specifically for Valentine's Day. It's for my baby sister, Emma. If you are watching, stop watching now. She's a Valentine's Day baby. She was born on Valentine's Day, so it's always an extra special holiday in my family, but you can use this for any holiday, any special occasion. Just change up the colors and patterns that you're using. So the first thing I did was I got my box here, and let me see if I can zoom in on this. I covered up the edges of the box with some really pretty tissue paper so that when you open it, this is going to be the first thing you see. And this was so super simple to do. What I did was I put some regular white craft glue on the edges of the box, and then I used like a foam craft paintbrush and I spread it. I laid the tissue paper on it. It stuck really easy, and then I just trimmed off the edges with some scissors. So I've got that already, and then into the box I'm going to start with some filler. Dollar Tree has the best filler. The great thing about this project is it's going to take like just a few dollars and have a big impact. There are so many different colors of this at the Dollar Tree. I picked this really pretty like purple foil and white, and I'm going to put that into my box. And then the items that I'm putting in are really, really simple. I think that's pretty customary for care packages, right? You're doing like snacks and little mementos. I've got some candy, some socks, different stuff like that, but I am going to make it a little special by wrapping each item individually. I got really pretty heart patterned wrapping paper at the Dollar Tree. This is like a box of candy, but how much more fun is it to open up each one? Then when you open up your box, you've got a lot more packages to go through. And I'm going to make each little item extra special by attaching a note card. So I'm going to tape this right on. And then on the inside of the note card, I'm going to write a little message on each item. I'm going to do little compliments. I'm going to write different things that I love about my sister. You get a little boost of confidence with each item. And then I'm also including something that my daughter made. So obviously my daughter is my sister's niece. They have a very special relationship. I got this at the Target dollar spot. It was $3, and I got this plaque. I got 6 markers and a coloring book, a really great value. And this took like an hour of my daughter's time. She had so much fun doing this. So a really good little activity tip there. I let her color it, and I'm going to include that. I think that's a great tip if you have kids and you're putting together a package. Let them make something. It's always really nice to receive, isn't it? And then I'm going to include a card, obviously a little happy birthday card, and then on top of everything I'm going to pour these little rose petals. They're fake rose petals, again from the Dollar Tree. Scatter them on top just for a little extra. If you're not doing Valentine's Day, there's other things you could do. Sprinkle some confetti, whatever you like. I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'm gonna zoom in and give you guys a close-up of how it looks all finished. And there it is, all ready to go. Who would not like receiving this on Valentine's Day or any other special occasion? Let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to try this, how you like to send care packages. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can see more videos. I do super simple DIYs every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.